H2x combines engineering-grade heat load calculations and full HVAC and plumbing system design into a single intuitive, visual workflow. Powered by Energy Plus, the industry-standard calculation engine, H2x eliminates the need for clunky external tools, separate software for system design, and endless recalculation every time the project evolves. So let's dive in. To get started, enter your project address into the heat load settings, and H2x automatically locates the nearest weather station. Thanks to H2x's integration with official ASHRAE weather stations, you can be sure the platform is giving you the most up-to-date weather information. Next, set up your project with H2x's pre-built defaults, or create your own. This includes room types, constructions, and internal heat sources. Create them once, and use them across all of your projects. As the project evolves, change any default material or setting, and every affected room recalculates instantly, which also removes any opportunity for manual input error. With H2x's drawing tools, lay out your rooms directly on the floor plan. As you draw, heat loss and heat gain appear automatically in the middle of each room. Behind the scenes, H2x is running the heat balance method against your design day conditions and factoring in thermal lag and the sensible and latent internal heat sources you assigned in your defaults. Add your windows and doors with the same tools. Then, set your north angle and watch every room's solar heat gain update automatically. H2x tracks annual solar heat gain through every window across every hour of the year's design days. Your heat loads then flow directly into HVAC design. Draw your pipes, and then instantly switch to drawing your ducts. Then drop diffusers into each room, and watch as H2x automatically splits the room's load between the diffusers, so every diffuser is tied to the heat load it's actually serving. Then when your design is complete, H2x instantly calculates and sizes the entire system. Use the results dropdown to see extensive calculations undertaken for every duct, pipe, and piece of equipment, or hover your cursor over the selected component to see all calculations at once. Taking a look at our ducts, we can see the size, flow rate, velocity, and pressure drop. And on a system-wide scale, we can see the fan duties alongside the system index paths. H2x's intuitive visual process also helps you review your design. See every room's calculations directly overlaid using the results dropdown. And when you want a second set of eyes, share a review link. Reviewers can then explore the visuals and access all calculation details straight from their browser. No software install required. Now in this particular example, a client has requested that we assess the impact of using higher quality windows on the design. Watch as we swap the window type, and calculation changes immediately ripple across the design. Not only does this automation remove the burden of manual recalculation, but you can always be sure your design is up to date. Every change recalculates your heat loads and the system size. That's work that used to take days across multiple tools. When you're ready to hand off, export fully branded heat load calculation reports and branded PDF drawing sets with the results overlaid on the plans. On the system design side, export a complete bill of materials, calculation report, and you can even import your full design directly into AutoCAD and Revit. No redrawing and recalculating required, creating a seamless design workflow. Get in touch with one of our engineers and we'll walk you through H2x on one of your own projects.